Awesome cool 4-axis body. Top plates and high-definition camera. This whole new LM01 drone will bring you to a new level of aerial photography. First, install the parts. Take the protection guard and place it into the slot. Then secure it with a screwdriver. Then connect the battery to the laptop by the charging cable. When the red indicator is disappeared and only has green light, charging is complete. Then pull the battery into the aircraft. Next is to replace the blades. Remove the old one and put the new one in place and press it vertically down to the shaft, then lock the screw. Take the aircraft and turn on it. Then turn on the remote control. Push the left joystick to the top, then back to the bottom. The next thing is the compass calibration. Hold the aircraft horizontally and walk 360 after the two blue indicators are always bright, two red indicators are flashing. Then hold the aircraft vertically and another 360. When two red indicators are always bright, calibration is finished. Press the gyro calibration button. When four indicators change from fast flashing to slow flashing, calibration is completed. Next, the satellite positioning. If four indicators change from flashing to bright, it means the satellite positioning is done. One key takeoff. One key landing. Up and down. Forward and backward. Left sideward flight. Right sideward flight. Turning left. Turning right. Headless mode. When in headless mode, the orientation of the drone is the relation to the pilot. Speed adjustment. There are two speeds for switching, so it's very ideal for players of different levels. One key return. With GPS positioning system, it can automatically return to the starting point. Next is to install the app. Scan the QR code and download and install it. Click the setting, connect to the hotspot, then open the app. Click the Follow Me icon. The smart drone will follow you from GPS signal of your mobile phone. Fixed point follow. With visual sensing device, it will follow your every moment too. Waypoint flight. Tap different points on the map, then click the sending. It automatically flies towards the points you have marked. Click the circle flight and set the distance between the aircraft and the center point. It will circle around an object. Click the gesture sensing button and wave your hand. It will automatically take pictures and record videos. Finally is to make your MV. Click the MV edit icon. Then you can beauty your video or add the music. Click the full screen display button. There will be not other icons on the screen. LM03 is so cool.